Welcome to Brescia, a historic city in northern Italy known for its rich cultural heritage, including landmarks such as the Piazza della Loggia and the Duomo Vecchio. It is also a vibrant center for industry, particularly in the engineering, machinery, and automotive sectors. Brescia is located in the Lombardy region, between Lake Garda to the west and the city of Milan to the east. It lies in the Po River Valley, surrounded by hills and mountains. Our journey begins at Piazza della Loggia, a historic square known for its elegant Renaissance architecture. The square is dominated by the Loggia Palace, a beautiful building with arches and columns that once served as the city's town hall. It is also home to the stunning clock tower, a symbol of the city, and hosts various cultural events and markets throughout the year. Not far from Piazza della Loggia lies Piazza Paolo, a prominent square in the center of Brescia, surrounded by stunning historical landmarks. At its heart stands the Duomo Vecchio, also known as the Old Cathedral, a Romanesque building dating back to the 11th century. The cathedral is renowned for its circular design, intricate frescoes, and beautiful marble exterior. Adjacent to the Duomo Vecchio is the newer Duomo Nuovo, which contrasts with its older counterpart in architectural style and grandeur. The Piazza della Vittoria is a large, modern square, created in the early 20th century to commemorate Italy's victory in World War I. The square is characterized by its wide, open space and features the Monument to the Fallen, a striking war memorial. It is surrounded by grand buildings including the Art Deco-style Palazzo delle Poste and serves as a key hub for both locals and visitors. Corso Giuseppe Zanardelli is one of Brescia's main streets, lined with elegant shops, cafes, and historic buildings. It runs through the heart of the city, connecting important landmarks such as Piazza della Loggia and Piazza della Vittoria. Brescia is known as the Lioness of Italy for its historical role in resisting Austrian occupation during the 1849 10 Days War. The city's brave defense during this period became a symbol of Italian unity and patriotism. Thank you for watching.